basic human rights. Every child deserves to the world. We call for the United Nations.
And do not stop wars or change around the world every day.
Peace will stand in the UN, will stand our pledge of peace.
True honest speed that recognises fundamental human rights.
Of our planet's lungs, hunting fellow men.
All I would say is, all for
Peace in the full the speeches, the messages.
to our young adults after you finish signing.
Hello, my name is Gloria Akperi. I live in Southeast London and I study A-levels Spanish, Sociology and Economics, and I'm 17 years old studying at St. Thomas the Apostle College. Now today I had the privilege of going to the House of Lords and it was a wonderful experience. I loved seeing the building, but I think for me the most exciting thing was meeting all these young people and being able to come together as a community, as a youth, to unite and speak about peace and global issues. I'd like to, of course, end this by saying thank you so much to the International Children's Peace Network for hosting this event. This has been wonderful. I felt really empowered today, and I just want to thank you for your time and your efforts to encourage young people to have their voices heard. So thank you very much.
It was definitely a very, very good experience. It was so good to hear from the other panelist members about their thoughts and